Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and her family members spent some pleasant times with country's eminent citizens and professional groups including university teachers, lawyers, journalists and cultural activists and other professional body representatives. It was a tea party at her official residence, Ganabhavan. This tea party was arranged as per the desire of Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and her younger sister Sheikh Rihana at the south lawn of Ganabhavan. The lush green grass was resonated with the presence of the country's eminent personalities and celebrated artists on the occasion. The guests were entertained with various kinds of traditional cake like patishapta, bhapa and chitoi as fuska. The Daily Samokal editor Ghulam Sarwar, UNB editor-in-chief Inayatullah Khan, BSS managing director and chief editor Abul Kalam Azad, senior journalist Shafiqur Rahman, Hassan Shahriyar, Farid Ahmed, Nadim Qadir, PM's advisor Gahur Rizvi and Major General Tariq Ahmed Siddiqui, National University Vice Chancellor Dr. Harunur Rashid, Jagannath University Vice Chancellor Dr. Mizanur Rahman, PMO Secretary Suraya Begum, Senior Public Administration Secretary Dr. Kamal Abdul Nasser Chowdhury, Foreign Secretary Shohidul Haq, Information Secretary Murtuja Ahmed, Dr. Khaliquzzaman Ahmad, Dr. Ghulam Rahman, Agricultural Secretary Shamol Kamti Ghosh, PM's Press Secretary Ihsanul Karim, PM's Special Assistant Mahabubul Haq Shakil, BGMEA President Siddiqur Rahman and leader of different professional bodies were also present. A cultural function organized on the occasion started with a Giti Nritto performed by some lovely children, followed by a Tagore song presented by Raisa Ahmed Sera, daughter of PM's Principal Secretary MD Abul Kalam Azad. Education Secretary Sohrab Hussain recited a poem and Prime Minister's Office Director Dr. Zulfikar Lenin sang a song. Cultural Affairs Minister Asaduzzaman Noor and PM's Private Secretary to Namita Haldar conducted the total function.